Hi Peaches, welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't posted for a year. I had exams and more exams. You don't need many popsicles in front of you. You can do any color. I went ahead and I painted this pink on another one. We cut off these pieces in different sizes. So this is how it looks. It was not working at all, this glue. I started using the hot glue gun. We were able to make this little cute ladder. This can't be something that the hamster or anything can live in. So it can just be a little photo booth. I glued the bottom spot right here. So this is the finished look, guys. I've put the pot right here and the ladder right here. Please give a thumbs up to this video, like, share, and subscribe.